Hello everyone, this is I Am Unicron, here today to do a quick review of the Transformers the movie, Autobot Hound, the G1 reissue from Walmart. So I really gotta say, man, I really enjoy the box artwork on these reissues. I mean, I kind of wish it had a window on it where you can actually see the transform inside, but I got a little excited. I already cut this one open because I've never actually owned a G1 Hound. I've had a friend when I was growing up that had one, but I never did. I think they might have reissued it. I really don't remember, but I've never owned one either. But let's get into it. So let's get him out of the box. Set this over here. Comes with his instructions. He sets in a little tray here. Cool, he is tiny. Let's get him cut out of here. Alright. Oh, that goes through his waist. Oh, he's got some heft to him. And then let me get the let's get the accessories out of here. And his accessories are just in here. They are his little launcher, his gas can, spare tire, and a tree of missiles. We'll set that off to the side. Spare tire, gas can, 2 blasters, and a launcher. So that's I think this is the one that mounts in the back here. So we will, oh, it has a little pivot on there. I didn't know that. Nice. Okay. So that mounts there. I really like the color. It's more along the lines of maybe like an army green, like that olive green, than the original toy was. But the original toy was like a dark green. It was a darker green. Let's get this on here. Let's get the spare tire on here. And then, yes. So, this is it in vehicle mode. That's pretty good. Little Autobot symbol, the little stars, the little paint apps are nice on it. The tires are actual rubber. I thought they were plastic at first, but nope, they're rubber. This whole back section is die cast, it feels like, and then the rest of it, the front feels pretty light. So, yeah. Alright, let's see if we can get them transformed. I mean, transformation should be fairly simple, straightforward. That shows where the accessories go. Put the back legs out, flip them around. I'll pop the accessories off for now. Put that down there. That fell off, that fell. Man, that little gas can is extremely tiny. So basically, you just as you pull these down. Oh, that's tight. Or do you? Oh, okay, it pulls down from there. And that does not Feel like it's transformed right, but we'll see. Flip these up. They were showing pulling down, but it didn't really pull down, so I'm not sure. Maybe I am doing something wrong. But no, all of that looks right. That folds down. This folds down. Oh, the arm. Oh, the tire folds back. His little arm. Wow, that's a tiny little arm. Look at that thing. Itty bitty on there. Oh, and his head pops up. As soon as you fold his waist, the chest over, the head will pop up on it. So, yeah, and that is it. And I mean, my goodness, man, this guy is, he is tiny. Those tiny little arms on there. I thought that pulled out. Maybe it doesn't. Yeah, maybe it doesn't pull down. Anyway, that is how he transforms. He's in vehicle mode. You can attach his launcher to his shoulder here. It looks like there's a little notch. I don't want to force it in there too much, but it's a little notch right here. Now let's see if we can get a close up of that head sculpt. Maybe. Not sure if it's focusing or not, but yeah. You can put his other little blaster in his hand, which is a really large gun here. I think this character Hound would have looked better if he had the chrome rims. I mean, I like the gray, but I think it just looks kind of oddball, actually. If it would have been maybe like a different color gray, I think it would look nice on it. That's just purely aesthetics. I know it's not accuracy or anything like that, but just purely the aesthetics of what I like seeing. So, but yeah, anyway, that is it. That is it. That is basically the reissue of Transformers G1 Hound. Really simple little transformer. Like I said, this guy is very, very tiny. Don't have anything to compare him to. But anyway, thanks for watching, everyone.